What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to log out of WhatsApp on other devices. Sometimes you might need to log out of WhatsApp on other devices for security reasons, like if you forgot to log out after using a shared computer or lost access to a device. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, tap on Linked Devices. This section shows all the devices where your WhatsApp account is currently logged in. Here, under Linked Devices, you'll see a list of all devices where your WhatsApp account is active. Each entry will show the type of device, like a PC, Mac or another phone, and when it was last active. To log out of a specific device, tap on the device name in the list. This will take you to the device status page. On this page, you will see an option to log out. Tap on it, and WhatsApp will immediately disconnect your account from that device. And that's it, you've now logged out of WhatsApp on the selected device. This simple step helps you stay in control of your account and ensures your privacy and security. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.